This is my third video on partnership for English medium 12th class. So always remember the video number. This is third number video. So that if you have any query, then you can discuss with the reference of video number. In last videos, I explained some terminologies related to partnership. You must watch all the videos, previous videos. Today I am going to tell you some theoretical part related to partnership. Let's begin. Today we are talking about elements of partnership. Elements means characteristics, speciality, खास बात क्या होती है partnership में is I am going to explain. Number one is agreement. Agreement means if I want to do any business with anyone, then I must have to decide some terms and conditions so that my business can run smoothly. बिजनेस को स्मूथली रन करवाने के लिए ही हमारे बीच में किसी भी टाइप का कोई कन्फ्लिक्ट ना आए, कोई झगड़ा ना हो, इसके लिए हम कुछ एग्रीमेंट, कुछ टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस पहले ही तय कर लेते हैं. दैट आर कॉल्ड एग्रीमेंट. So the first characteristics or first element of partnership is agreement. There must be an agreement before beginning the partnership. So partnership begins with agreement, means you cannot start partnership without agreement. It may be oral or written. It means agreement. If you are making any agreement, you can make it orally or you can make it by written. It's better to make a written agreement. A written agreement is called partnership deed. There are some words which are underlined by me. I underline these words because these are the words which may ask in 1 mark questions. Question: partnership begin with dash dash dash. There would be agreement. It may be dash or dash. It may be oral or written. A written agreement is called dash. A written agreement is called partnership deed. Accept it. Here I written some important point. To create deed is not compulsory. I underline these. This is also important. A 1 mark question is asked in true and false. To create partnership is compulsory. No. To create partnership deed is not compulsory. It's optional. It's up to partners. They want to make partnership deed, they will make. They do not want to make partnership deed, they do not make. So always read the theory. Second one is business. In last video I told you that there must be a business. Social services are not covered under partnership. There must be a business, but business must be legal. There must be a legal business. If you are doing any illegal activity like smuggling, that is not covered under Partnership Act. Social services are not covered under partnership. Suppose you are a doctor and you are treating the patients free of cost. It's not covered under partnership. Like SVCA, like Parishad, we are teaching students free of cost. This is not covered under partnership. Social services are not covered under partnership. Profit distribution. Without profit, you cannot make any partnership. The basic motive of partnership must be profit earning. 1 mark question again generating. Profit motive. What is the motive of partnership? Profit motive. Number of members. In last video, I told you that I will talk about the members in next class. So the number of members, minimum 2 and maximum 50. Minimum 2 I explained in last class. Maximum 50. It means we cannot involve 51 person in our partnership. Maximum 50 members can be involved in partnership. Minimum 2, maximum 50 members can become partners, but there are some words. Able individuals can become partner. Able means a person who is not minor. Means if you want to become a partner, you must attain the age of minimum 18 or above 18. 18 साल से कम के व्यक्ति को पार्टनर नहीं बनाया जा सकता. Able means he must be sound mind. ऐसा बंदा जिसका दिमाग अच्छा हो. पागल आदमी को आप पार्टनर नहीं बना सकते. Individual. Individual means a person like I, like you. Two groups cannot become partners. Only individual person. Ram can become partner of Mohan. Okay, but SVCA cannot become partner of BKK because SVCA and BKK both are separate group. These are not individuals. ये व्यक्ति नहीं है, ये इंसान नहीं है. That's why they cannot become partner. Only two individual person can become partner of each other. Business run by, who will run the business? Suppose I am doing business with my two other friends. There are three partners. So there are two conditions. Either we all three come and do our work in the business, or we can hand over all the responsibility on any one person and he will do all the activities related to business. So business run by, business can be run by all. सब लोग मिलकर बिजनेस में काम कर सकते हैं, और एनी ऑफ देम एक्टिंग फॉर ऑल, मतलब सबके बिहाफ में कोई एक भी पार्टनरशिप में एक्टिवली काम कर सकता है. सो दिस इज द elements or characteristics of partnership. There may be some questions will be asked in the examination related to 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks. So read the theory 2 or 3 times. Do not watch the video, just listen the video 2 or 3 times. Your theory will be cleared. Okay.